Did you know that aside from earning with your own products, you can also earn cash through commission? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. So for today's video, we know that Shopee is an e-commerce platform that we can buy and we can also sell products. But for now, we're gonna focus on the seller side because I have a seller Shopee hack for you guys on how you can grow your shop more. And all you have to do is to be part of this seller affiliate program where you can get up to 16% commission. And don't worry because I'm gonna share to you guys the step-by-step process on how to be part of this program. And yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. There are 5 things that I will share with you guys today. First is what is a Shopee seller affiliate program. Second is how to sign up. Third is how is the commission computed. Fourth is where to receive the payment. And lastly, how to track your commission. And of course, on the last part of this video, I'm gonna share to you guys the tips on how you can grow your shop more based on my experience. So let's start. Okay, first, what is a Shopee seller affiliate program? So this is a new Shopee integrated program where you can earn cash by sharing your store link to potential buyers and to your social media platform. So it's as easy as that. So how to sign up for the program? So all you have to do is to fill out this form. You can see the link on your screen and I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So that's it. Just make sure that all the information are accurate. Then third, how is the commission computed? There are 4 categories and there are different commission rate for those new buyers and existing buyers. So as you can see, the commission rate for new buyers of electronics category like laptops, cameras, mobile accessories, appliances, and others is 7%. Then if the buyer is an existing buyer, it is 2%. As for makeup and fragrances, personal care, groceries, stationery, sports and travel, it's 10% for new buyers and 5% for existing buyers. Then for the toys, games, and collectibles, home and living, it's 14% for new buyers and then 6% for existing buyers. And of course, the highest rate category are more on the apparel side, as well as the shoes, bags, and accessories, in which 16% is the commission rate for new buyers and 7.5% commission rate for existing buyers. Okay, so the total incentive is computed per order. Okay, fourth, where to receive the payment. So the payout will be reflected on the seller Shopee wallet. Take note that it is processed every end of the month and you are usually paid on the 15th to the 20th of the next month. Also, take note that there should be a minimum balance of 500 pesos before payout. Okay, lastly, how to track your commission. So all you have to do is to click My Shop and then click Seller Affiliate program, and then you will see the amount of estimated payout, and this is usually updated every week. So you can see the duration there and the amount of clicks and all that. And in that page, you can also see the link of your store, which you will share to your potential buyers and social media platforms. Okay, so now I'm gonna share to you guys my tips on how this program helped me grow my store. It is important to really share the link to all your social media platforms. So if you guys have observed, the link of my Shopee store is linked in the description box in all of my videos, so that if ever my viewer is interested to check out my store, then they can click the link immediately. So if you have an Instagram also, you can put it in link in your bio, or you can make a Facebook page, or you can even share it to your personal Facebook account. If you guys are curious on how to put the link in bio, all you have to do is to open the Shopee app and then click My Shop. And then after that, click the Seller Affiliate program and then copy your Seller Affiliate link. Now open your Instagram and then click Edit Profile. What I did is I placed an arrow down emoji with the title Shopee Store on the bio and then paste your seller affiliate link on the website. And then after that, on your upper right, click the check mark to save. So as you can see, once someone clicks the link in your bio, they will be redirected to your Shopee store. So same process as well to your other social media platforms. So the key here is to really utilize the social media platforms that you have so that the buyers will be made aware of that that you have a Shopee store. Another tip that I would like to share is to use the Shopee ads to boost your products so that when a buyer will search a product, the product in your store will appear on their Shopee feed. But of course, this will depend on your budget. But take note that using this feature really proves that it can increase your sales. So again, I highly encourage you guys to join this program because of course it's free. So utilize this as well because this is an opportunity for us sellers to earn more aside from selling the products that we have. So I hope everything is clear with you guys, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to comment below and I will try to answer them all. So with that, everything is in the description box again. And if you're a startup seller, then you can check my other videos because I made those guide for you guys, especially that you are starting with this new platform. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on these next videos. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!